Hello there, my name is Cynthia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google My Business website for free. So let's get started. If you are a business owner who do not have a website because it is too hard to build a website just by yourself, or because someone has quoted a large amount of money just to create a website for you, well, Google My Business has just come to the rescue with solution to both these problems. As you know, Google My Business is an effective tool which enables you to manage and optimize your business profile on Google. It is very important for local marketing to receive and display reviews from your customers and to showcase your product and service. If you have not already created the Google My Business profile for your business, then I have added the link of a video which I have made in the description box. In this video, I have explained step by step in detail how to create a Google My Business profile. It is very easy, so go check it out. For those who already have a Google My Business profile, Google officially launched its website builder within its Google My Business tool to help small businesses easily create websites. It has proved to be very useful for those who do not have a website for them already. The cherry on the cake is that you do not have to do any advanced coding or pay huge amount of money. Well, it does not end here. The website has 3 amazing features. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to make a Google My Business website. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the Google My Business dashboard of a listing that I have already created. So this is the business profile that I have already created. So when I go on Google, so this is how my business profile looks like. Alright, so here you can see there is no website option. So when you make a website, the button of website gets enabled automatically. Alright, so here you can see in info, there is no website added. So once I create a website, I will be able to upload it over here and the website button gets updated automatically over here. So to create a website, here you can see on the left hand side there are so many menu options. Now this is a Google My Business profile of a restaurant. Alright, so to create a website, I have come over here on the left hand side on this website tab and I will just click on it. So here on Google My Business dashboard, it will guide you as to how you should be creating a website. Alright, so let's see how to create a website step by step. So I'll just click on get started. You can pick a theme for your site. So I'll just click on this themes palette. So let me just see which color and which font looks best for my restaurant. So from here you can choose which one looks good for your restaurant. So from this theme palette you can choose which color and which theme looks good for your business profile. Alright, so this is something I like, so I'll select this one. Okay, let me click on tell your story. Here you need to add a button which will be like a call to action. So here you will see that there are so many options given. Now based on your Google My Business category, it will give you options. My business profile is a restaurant. It is giving me these options, that place an order or view menu and all these options, but I want someone to click on the button and contact me. So I'm just gonna click over here, contact us. Okay, you can choose other options as well, that is messages on WhatsApp. So I will get in, so someone will be able to message me directly on WhatsApp. So I want someone to contact me, so I'll just click on contact us. So when I'm clicking on the contact us, you can see here sends customer name, phone number, email and message to your email. So on my email ID, it will send me the customer's name, phone number, email and message. Alright, so this is what I prefer right now. So I'm going to select this. Now this heading text is what is going to be appearing on your website. Alright, so this is my business profile name, that is East Indian Delicacies. If you want, you can change it, or you want to remove something, you can remove it. So I'm removing the word Kharghar, that is a location, I'm removing that. Next, it is showing in description as restaurant in Navi Mumbai. So let me write something else like best restaurant in Navi Mumbai. Alright. So next is summary header. So where will this appear? It will appear down below over here in the about us section. Alright, so it is by default coming as about us. I can write about East Indian Delicacies restaurant. Alright, so and there is some summary description. So I'm just going to add quickly a summary description over here. So here I have added a description. So if I want, I can highlight a few words here and there. I can make into bullet points. So this is how you can add a description over here. You can add more. I feel this much is enough for me, so I have written only this much. Alright, and then you just click on this save button that is there over here, and then this information of yours gets saved. Alright, so I don't want to publish right now, so I'm not publishing it. Okay, let's see photos. So if you want to add more photos or videos, you can add it from here. So I have already added a few photos, so let me show you the website. Okay, so this is the cover photo. So when you are creating a Google My Business website, you need to add cover photo, so that gets added automatically over here. Alright, so I have added these photos over here. This is my menu, so I have added it over here. So it picks up automatically whatever you add in the photos section. Alright, so if I click on edit menu, here you can see I have added one picture. I can add more. Alright, so this way you can add images and it will get uploaded automatically on the website. Alright, so in this way I have added images. You can add more images if you want. Here you can see in contact us section, automatically your business location gets fed on the website, so that if people are looking for directions, they can click on the Google My Business map that is already added over here. You can see that my phone number and my address is automatically added, so whatever number you add in the info section, it gets added over here in the website. So first you need to create a Google My Business profile, and then only you will be able to create the website. So while creating the Google My Business profile, you will get these options to fill in. So automatically the Google My Business website captures all the information. Alright, so here you can see that I have added photos, so it has captured the same. I have received some testimonies, some reviews on my Google My Business profile, so it has been captured on the website as well. Similarly, I have added a product and the product has been captured on the website. So similarly, this is basically a small dummy website. So for your website, the more information you keep adding, the more you will be able to show to your audience. Alright, so now you need to publish your website. So here you can see that based on my profile title name, that is my business name, Google is suggesting me a domain name. So this becomes my domain name. Alright, so here you can see that Google is suggesting me so many domain names. So what I can do is, if I want, I can buy it. Alright, so I need to pay 860 rupees per month if I want this domain name. Okay, but I am not looking forward to buy any domain name, and since I want a free website, so here you can see that this is the link of the free website site which is there on the top. So you can edit it and make it according to your preference. So since I don't want this dashes in between, I'm going to remove that. Okay, I have added a location. I don't want my location, I'll remove that. So I want my business domain name to be eastindiandelicacies.com or eastindiandelicacies.businessaddress.com or eastindiandelicacies.business.site is perfect for me. So I don't want that to change. So whatever in between changes I wanted, I have removed it. I click on change. So this is the domain of your free website. Okay, so what you can do is you can copy this and keep it somewhere stored. So this is your business domain name. So you can even buy your business domain name from Google, as I mentioned, or you can buy from any other website and add it over here. So that is totally fine. Now since it's a free website, I'm not looking forward to buy anything. I'm just gonna go and directly publish. Alright, so here you can see publish now button is there. I'll just click on publish. Alright, so there you go. This is how easy it is to create a website. Let me just click on view site. Let me see whether I'm able to see my website. So here you can see this is how I have created my website. Okay, so here you can see the banner image. Okay, the photo that I have uploaded will be loaded over here, and my menu that is there, I have added lunch, it's there. In testimonies, I have received one review. You can see it is there visible. So for everything, a different section comes up. Okay, someone can even write a review coming on your website. They can write a review. Okay, so here you can see about my business and the photos of the food that I am offering. Also, there is contact us, and this is all my business information. So this is very easy to create. So someone clicks on the contact us button. So here you can see that I had created in this edit section that contact us button should be there on the website. So here this contact us button has come. So when someone clicks on it, a pop-up form comes up wherein the website will capture the name, phone number, email address, and whatever query the customer has, they can feed it over here and click on submit. So I will get an email regarding that query. Alright, so here you can see how easy it is to create a website. There is even a navbar over here, and since it's a one-page website, wherever you click on the navbar, it will take you on that particular section. So there you go. Create a Google My Business profile first, then make a Google My Business website for your business without any coding or spending any money. Also, you can see that since I have published, the website tab has been enabled on the Google My Business profile. So when someone clicks on the website, they will automatically come on your website. Alright, so this is how it is easy to create a Google My Business website. Well, it does not end here. The website has 3 amazing features. The website is a responsive website, which means It will adjust the text, videos and images as per the screen size automatically. The website gets updated automatically. When you update your Google My Business account, your website automatically updates with your new information so that your details are always up to date. The third is that you can run ads to get more traffic. To run ads, you need a website. Google My Business website allows you to run ads with AdWords Express to get more customers on your site and to drive customer action. As you can see that the Google My Business website is very simple. So you might have a question as to who can benefit from this website. Well, this website can benefit a business owner looking for their first website, a business that can benefit from having lots of images without needing much content like custom furniture makers or freelancers, photographers or restaurant owners. Google My Business website can also benefit anyone looking for a satisfaction of having a DIY website. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we keep uploading many videos related to digital marketing which are very informative. If you want to grow your business, connect with UnoSearch.